So for everybody who want to know how big my puppies is, look at my Chihuahua. Y'all tell me if these ain't real bullies. Look at my Chihuahua. Look at my little bully. My little Zaza. Hey Zaza. Hey Zaza. So like I was saying though, a Chihuahua and a bully puppy. She going on 10 months. So y'all can get a better look at her. 10-month-old bully puppy. I mean, not 10 months, but 10 weeks. I'm gonna edit that part. But y'all know, check out my puppy. You can't never get no pictures because you be too busy being bad.